We are so excited to celebrate the incredible contributions of Black leaders. So get ready.
So, without any further ado,
oh, that's so sweet of you. I remember a time where I couldn't just sit anywhere I wanted. But you're living in a time with possibilities to succeed our enemies. How was life going for you? But it was nice talking to you. Well, I guess it's time for me to be on my way too. I have a gift for you. Alright. This little girl is Michelle Robinson, who went on lives to become an attorney in Austin, said that has a first lady of the United States from 2009 to 2017. She married Barack Obama, the 44th President of the United States, based on the South Side of Chicago. Michelle Obama is a graduate of Princeton University and Harvard Law School. Maya Angelou, Miss Smile, is a multi-talented American actor. She published several autobiographies, poetry, essays, and credited with work in film, television, and theater. Angelou collaborated with Malcolm X and Martin Luther King Jr. during the civil rights activists. She is also known as the educator and Ray Rimbaud's professor of American Studies at Wake Forest University. All of Michelle Obama and Maya Angelou ever met is plenty of love and praise to our neighborhood gardens.
Little gardens and sugar. If you know the answer, raise your hand, and if you get it right, you will clap. A.
Phenomenal Woman by Maya Angelou. Pretty woman, wonder where to be loved. I'm not cute or built to suit a fashion model size. But when I try to touch it, you think I'm telling lies. I say, it's in the reach of my arm, the span of my hip, the stride of my steps, the curl of my fit. I'm a woman, phenomenal woman does me.
I walk into a room just as cool as you please, and to a man that better stand or falling underneath.
Belly swim around me, I hide behind these. I say, it's in the fire of my eyes and the flash of my teeth, the swing of my legs and the joy of my feet. I'm a woman, phenomenal woman, that's me. Men themselves are wondering, but they see me. They try so much, but they can't touch my inner mystery.
When I try to show them, they say you still can't see me. I say, it's in the arch of my back, the sun in my smile, the line of my chest, the grace of my style.
I'm a woman, phenomenal woman, that's me. Now you understand what it means to about. I don't shout or joke about or have to talk real loud.
When you see me passing, it ought to make you proud.
I say, it's the clip of my heels, the bend of my hair, the palm of my hand, the nape of my hair. Cause I'm a woman, phenomenal woman, that's me. I still rise. I rise. Does my sadness upset you? Why use the sad with gloom? Cause I walk like I thought Oreos pumping in my living room. Just like moons and suns, with the certainty of time. Just like hope springing high, still I rise. Did you want to see me broken, bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my cries? Does my hardness offend you? Don't you take it awful hard, cause I laugh like I've got gold mines digging in my own backyard. You may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your arms, you may hit me with this hatefulness, but still like air, I run. Out of the huts of history's shame, I rise. Up from a past that's rooted in pain, I rise. On a black ocean, leaping and wild, rolling and swelling, I bear in the tide. Leaving behind nights of terror and fear, I rise. Into a daybreak that's wondrously clear, I rise. Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave, I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise, I rise, I rise. Writing poems about strength and identity.
I'm choosing America. I'm the darker brother. They send me to eating the kitchen when company comes, where I laugh and eat well and grow strong.
Tomorrow I'll be at the table when company comes. Nobody will dare say to me, eat in the kitchen then. Besides, they'll see how beautiful I am and be ashamed. I too am America. Powerful poem by Lacey Hughes, Mother to Son.
Mother to son by Nathan Hughes.
Well, son, I'll tell you, life for me ain't been no crystal stair. It's had cracks in it and splinters and boys turn up, and places with no carpet on the floor. There. But all the time, I've been climbing on, and reaching ledges and turning corners, and all sometimes going in the dark, where there ain't been no light. So boy, don't you turn back, don't you sit down on the steps, cause you find it's kinda hard. Don't you fall now, for I still going, honey, I still climbing, and life for me ain't been no crystal stair.
We now present I Dream a World by Lacey Hughes.
I dream a world where man, no other man is born, where love will bless the earth and peace is past the door. I dream a world where all will know sweet freedom's way, where greed no longer saps the soul, nor avarice blights our day. A world I would dream where black or white, whatever race you be, will share the bounties of the earth and every man is free, where wretchedness will hang its head and joy like a pearl, attend the needs of all mankind. Of such I dream my world.
Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. The teachers inspired us today. Our interpretations.
We think out of all the important African American leaders that stand out to us has to be Martin Luther King.
Martin Luther King Jr. is important to history because of his hope, courage, and persistence. Martin Luther King was a good motivation for African Americans to make that work hard. One of his quotes is,
I have a dream that one day every valley shall be equal.
every hill shall be ascended, and make every mountain shall be made low.
The rough places will be made straight.
And the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. These are our interpretations of Martin Luther King Jr. and gospel music. The music of the hymn was composed by James' brother John Johnson. Into the song you will hear performed today.
Was the situation changed for escrito originalmente como un poema por James Johnson en 1900. Se convertiría en un himno que es una canción destinada a la celebración y la alabanza.